Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you if your Netflix account or your Netflix application is not working on your location, or if you're in the region where Netflix does not support. So you can face a error like your location cannot be traceable or Netflix cannot be operated on your location. How you can simply solve this error from your mobile phone. To do this, you firstly have to check that if your Netflix application is working all good on your phone and you have updated it through the App Store. So let me just check that if I have updated my Netflix application or not. If not, then I will show you the different thing how you can change your location or how you can use Netflix at any condition of a location. As you can see, I have not updated it, so I will click on update button to update it. And after that, the second thing is you should go to the search bar and search for a VPN. Now you can download a free VPN from this menu, or paid also. It's upon you how you want to download it. And just after downloading VPN, you should connect to the VPN and you can enjoy Netflix without any interruption. Thank you so much for watching this video.